Ready? Ready, go! Go! Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love. 704. Nice. Yeah. It looks like a snake. It's a slithering snake by handlebar. Forgot I filled up complete full pretty much fucking last month. Oh, he's a big boy. He's a big boy. Fucking relentless big boy. He didn't get enough to fax here. So yes, good morning to everybody. Hopefully my bike is recording and I have no issues, but I'm not betting on it. I'm probably gonna have issues. So as you can see, I got the Hero 9 on, and just as an example, I can see my footage in front of me, which is actually pretty good. So I can see what's going on. It's not full real time, it is delayed. So yeah, so we got the upgrade. We got the old 7 right by there, staring me in the face. I want to get that one sorted now because all I've got is the gel, the silicone plug gels to stop it from fucking, yeah, from potential rain getting into the fucking camera. And I don't want to wreck it because I want to keep it as a spare for like when I do like proper vlogs out and about, or like, you know, or if I want to talk about a specific subject where, you know, both cameras are going to come in handy. But yeah, it looks really good. Oh, look at this dirt boy! We're going green, ladies, son! But yeah, I've actually tested out the camera a little bit. I had to turn the sharpness down, I believe, because it was just so fucking high. I am wanting to sort out the actual setup in general, because it's strange. The mic setup is right, or is from right side only, not left side. Whereas the left, you know, the Ulanzi case, well, as you can see on the 7, there's a gap there on that side. Whereas on this one, it's on the right, which is different. And it does make my setup a little bit awkward, so that is one con that you're going to get. I think, I'm not sure off the top of my head if the Hero 4 is the same for you, Jareth. Is it left or right? I'm sure it's left for you, you know, where the mic adapter goes, basically, even the old one. On that note, I know you might be switching cameras at some given point, but I've got a spare adapter, so I might as well bring that with me on the 27th. I've lost my train of thought now, so now I'm going to show you a nice example with sharpness on. I can see the benefit of sharpness on in certain aspects of recording, but not for when you're riding. It just it creates a lot of artifacts and it distorts a lot of things. So I'd rather not have sharpness on. Well, it is on super low, but if I want to add any more, I can do it in post-production then. But yeah, here's a video of me running with the dog eventually. Ready? Ready, go! Go! I've got the camera sorted. Yeah, it does go off eventually, but what I've done is I've kept the red light going just so I can see what's going on, because that bitch drains a lot of battery. But I might just turn it off completely, I don't know yet, or have what I've got on the GoPro here, which is like the timer and video and etc etc ready. Big super view on this camera now, as well as this one obviously. We'll see how it goes. It's weird, it feels much lighter than the other one. 100% feels much better. Oh, we got a bit of traffic here, boys. We got a bit of traffic in the morning. It's been a while since I fucking recorded, because the last time I did record was like pretty much a couple months ago. Fuck off. You can hit the lights anyway. It is what it is, and it's definitely going to be an improvement in quality, 100%. And is he on his phone, or is he just being a cunt to block me off? Well, we'll find out when we go past him now. Oh no, he's just driving like a... From me for this episode, I'll probably record just as I was coming back. Basically I'm going to head home to grab my laptop. Mrs. has got like a training course today, so I'll probably record for some footage, but I'm not always going to use the 7. This is going to be like my special date camera. And that's about it really. Thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned for more beautiful content with the Hero 9. If it's still on my head. It is. Anyways, bye!